another video. I'm going to be painting a birdhouse and using a blowtorch. Blowtorch!
Oh boy.
This is my birdhouse, which is so much better than my mom's. Mine looks real. Hers does not. So my house is better because it looks real. $360. This is a blowtorch. I love it.
So, how you use a blowtorch with adult supervision.
Move it down.
There's usually a nozzle here. And you control it by doing that. Okay? You don't need it that dark. You don't need it that strong, see?
And I'm scientific.
We're just going really fast because this is pine wood.
So it's easy to burn. You're just giving it texture. Burn the roof.
Burn the roof? I thought you wanted to paint the roof.
No, we're going to paint both. Don't burn the inside. The birds are going to get hurt. Hey, Donnie, you know what to say.
Don't try this at home. Maybe I'll just do this. I was gonna let you do it, but this pine wood is like catching on fire real quick.
Please, you blow it out. You blow it out and I do this. Ah, my goggles are getting very... See, you blow it out while I do that.
I'll let you do this side.
Okay.
You gotta go very fast.
Like this?
Yeah.
Can I do the roof?
I thought you were gonna paint the roof.
We're painting both. Can I look at it? Wow. The blue flame is the hottest part of the fire. Because it's the flame. Don't get the bottom though. That's gonna be bad.
So how does this look so far? Is it cool?
Yeah. It looks like a house breakdown.
Oh, yeah,
Do the roof.
You want the roof done too?
I wanted to do the roof.
Alright, I do half and you do half.
Okay, so you do that side, I do the other side.
Remember, do not try this at home without supervision.
We could use a Sharpie for the chimney and make it look like bricks.
Yeah. I'm not going to go over it again, so if you're done, you're done.
I am.
Are we doing the chimney?
We're going to use a Sharpie to make it look like brick.
Okay. So then you turn it off and we're
Blow
done.
it out!
You're not even in the camera. Okay, so we have our charred birdhouse.
Now we need paint.
Now we paint.
2, 1. We got it all. Now, what?
Paint? So we check to make sure it's not hot anymore. We pick a color.
You use the backhand to make sure something's not hot. I'm using
Pick a brush.
golden brown. Golden brown.
Oh, you have brushes.
Yeah, there are brushes in here.
Those are thick.
This one?
You're just gonna go in between these lines, right? Or are you painting? Because if you paint the whole thing, then the wood grain that we just burned is not gonna show.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna paint in between, I guess. I'll try. I don't know if I can. I'll try though. Oh, we're supposed to put a Sharpie on the chimney for brick.
Do you want to go get the Sharpie?
Yeah. I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna have to face it down so it's easier. Where 2 bricks right there, like that, and then don't I go like this?
Yeah,
Right here.
yep,
Go up.
yep, and then another across.
Yeah, and then I do 1 right here.
Yep,
Yeah.
and then 2,
Oh, it's getting really uneven.
and then 1.
Okay, I can just do that.
So show it.
This is the brick.
Chimney.
Brick lines. I'm gonna do this just so it looks better. There.
Now for the next part.
I don't really know how to do the sides.
Here, you want me to do it?
First, we need tan since we finished the bricks, and we need to be very careful with this.
You're using too big of the brush.
I'm not. Boom! Look at that. So good.
Ooh, and then after you do that, maybe we do something like this.
Where it spreads?
Yeah. How's that?
What?
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. So you do the paint and I'll do the white.
Okay, well, it's gonna go all the way up to there. 'Cause of
Okay.
that little gap. So I'm gonna get the gap first. Why is it so good? Okay.
This could take a while though.
So pause.
Fast forward. Speed? Like do the speedy one?
Yes.
Okay.
Especially on the first one. See how good the first one is?
So you don't want to like get it on the dark spots. You just want to highlight the light spots.
Yeah, so maybe I'll start over here because there's lots of light spots right here. Oh, that got on the side.
It's okay.
I'm painting around the big black spot. Look how good that looks, because I went around the black spot. Yabba!
Daba.
Dill! Wait, where's that from again?
The Flintstones.
I've never watched the Flintstones. How do I know that?
Because it's known.
It's known across the 13 countries. No.
13 countries, that's it?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, are we done with that part? I think so.
No, we're not.
More of the roof? Maybe we should cook some matzo brie sometime.
Maybe.
I'll actually teach you how to make it. You got my...
Is it matzo bar like crushed matzo and eggs?
Yep. You love making the eggs thing, so.
Yeah. Onion salami matzo egg.
Yep, you could do that too. Your new bike. How many more subscribers do you need to hydro dip?
50, I think.
I think you need less.
50 or 40?
I think you need less than 40.
30.
No.
2.
No.
10.
No.
12.
You need more than 40, but less than 50.
45.
I think close.
41.
Like 40.
No, don't say it. Don't say it. 41.
No.
42.
No.
43.
No.
45.
No.
46.
No.
47.
Wait.
48.
47 or 48. I can't
49.
remember. 47 or 48. I can't remember.
48. 47. 49.
Are we just doing the roof like this, or are we doing the whole house like this?
We're not doing just the roof like this, okay? We're doing just the roof. Like, that. Huh? Bow wow wow wow, chicka bow wow.
So, are you painting the chimney or am I? I have a stiller hand.
How small? Like this small?
Smaller than this.
I
Like,
don't have one smaller than that unless you want to do this. Okay. Full X Games mode.
I mean, we could just paint it and then redo the marker after.
True, can we? Yeah, we're just going to paint it and then redo marker.
Okay, now what? Is it done?
No.
Oh, now we gotta do the grass, right? It doesn't really matter, because even if it gets on the cabin, as long as it's not like way up here, it'll look like grass.
Oh yeah, true. You could paint it.
You want me to paint
No,
it?
I want you to paint the top and sides, and then I paint the bottom.
Okay, what size brushes you got?
I mean, we got all those.
Somebody started mowing the lawn.
The man who shall not be named. Gary.
So we had to pause it and wait for him to go to the front and close the garage door, and now we're back.
Yeah.
And there goes the phone. And I'm not gonna say the rest. So here. So I painted the sides and the front and the back. Can you still see what I'm painting?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it all like. And you're gonna paint the bottom, right? And then we'll do the touch up on the chimney, and then
We're done.
we're done. We just have to do the clear coat. So you can come over here and paint the bottom. see what I can do with this and our millions of colors that we have. Vanilla. No. Coral. Is that okay?
Can we tighten up the screws that have the brakes? Because then I have to push down a lot instead of just doing a little.
How's that look?
I like it. No, from the distance I am, you can't even tell.
Cool. Alright, so we're done?
If you want to redo the brake part so it's
Oh yeah.
better.
Okay.
You're right.
So now what?
We're done.
Okay, so I pause.
So this is the final product of the birdhouse. It's getting really hard to turn. And well, it's a birdhouse. Like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.